Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Yossi Barnabas and I do fashion tutorials here. So in this video I want to show you how to perfectly fix a pressing button on a senator outfit, just like this one. Okay, so it is usually two. So the first thing we are going to do is to get our chalk and mark the points where we are going to fix the pressing button. One is going to be at the extreme here, as you can see, and then the other one will be somewhere at the center. Okay, so now that we have marked it, you just press it down as I'm doing in this video, just to transfer the chalk mark to the other side. You understand? This way you are just going to get, it is going to be at the exact same spot. All right, so now the next thing you're going to do is the pressing button that we are going to fix. You need your needle and thread. Okay, so now I fixed my thread. You understand? So I'm just going to tie it at the end. That one is normal. You should know that before you making use of the thread, you should tie it. You understand? So the press button has two sides. There is the one with the pin, and there is the other side that has a hole. You understand? So this one is flat, and this other one has a pin. Now the flat one is the one that you are going to be putting on this particular side, while the one with the pin is the one that is going to be on the opposite side. You understand? So now we are just going to do that very quickly. And this is a simple process, very easy, and as long as you are paying attention in this video, you are definitely going to understand it and you'll be able to do it and get it. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm not stitching directly from the back, so you can see the way I'm stitching it. I'm not starting from the back. You understand? So this way it is not going to be showing behind. You understand? So you can see how it is being done. Now if you follow this step and pattern, it is going to be looking smooth from the back of the clothes. You understand? So we're just going to do this around until we get it fixed and very strong. So what I'm trying to do now is to lock the stitch. You understand? When you have gone all around, then you just lock it up. Make sure it's very strong, as you can see that I'm doing here. Make sure it's very strong, then you just cut it off. Right, so now I'm going to be doing the opposite side. Remember, the flat one is the one on this side, while the one with the pin is the one with the pin is going to be on the other side. You understand? So using the same process, because your stitches is not going to be visible on the other side. You understand? So using the same process. This is the one with the pin. So you just going to go around. You understand? The same way around the fabric. Alright, we've gone around it, and now the next thing we're going to do is to lock it as well. understand? Always remember to lock before you cut. It helps it get firm and very strong, you understand? So that's exactly what I'm doing right here. Drive it and make sure it's very tight, and then you cut. Now and you can see how it looks like. Okay, it is now going to be very perfect and straight and aligned, you understand? As you can see, smooth, very smooth and clean. Now the next thing we're going to do is now to do for the other side. Okay. Alright, now the work is done. The work is done. So this is what it looks like. You can see how smooth it's looking. Very smooth and clean. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.